Hi, I'm currently working on fulfilling the limited lemon tier on my Patreon. They get a mix of limited edition stickers and prints every month. Every month is different. And this is the closest I will ever be or have ever been to making my own stationery line, so it's actually been pretty fun and giving new life to my past artwork as prints. If you'd like to get your hands on these exact prints, they're only going to be available this January, and then the next month is a whole new batch of limited lemon stuff. They will not be available anywhere else. The doodle book is almost to its next month. By the time you see this, I should have all of this filled out. I am a little bit behind, which is not surprising, but I am going to catch up. And then the next month is February, and if you're interested, I still have more left. They're in limited quantities. Go check out my Etsy shop. I hope this studio vlog is okay for this week because I am currently working on a more complex project and those take some time. And currently I'm working on the secret Belgian binding. I have never done this before, so I'm trying to figure out how to do it, and then I will show you guys how to do it in a tutorial. My goal this year is to do at least one bookbinding video a month, and I've also shared that on my Patreon. There is a book lemon tier. They don't honestly make that much revenue at first on YouTube, and they're not exactly the most sexiest topic to trend on YouTube, but I like making them, and if you guys want to support them, I definitely appreciate it, and I will link that down below as well. Today I actually need to go to IKEA because I need to return 2 of these pegboards. I got them because I thought I was going to do this whole wall in pegboard, but I ended up doing a little section of book displays, which I like better, and you guys said you want to see some IKEA stationery, so I will treat you to some IKEA stationery. Next to the stationery is the pet section, and I noticed they have some dog beds and some dog mats, and I've been looking for a mat kind of thing to put on the grass where I can sit with cone on, so I wanted to try one of these. Okay, now on to the stationery section. I thought this organizer was an interesting design. It's all metal, but it has elastic around the edges so you can fit your different supplies in there. Gift bows, but it's not supposed to look like that. That one's just seen better days. Something I thought was really cool was this 3-tiered organizer hexagon thing. I'm not sure what it's called, but it opens up into these 3 compartments. It has a magnetic closure, and I'm not sure what I would put in this, but I really want to get it just because I think the overall design of it is really cool. And I almost want to just take it apart to figure it out, and maybe I can figure out how to make my own version of it. They have a lot of desk organizers in this section, and I thought this pad of paper was cool. It has 2 compartments. I'm not sure what you would put in there, but it is an organizer / notepad. They have sticker folios with Scandinavian style illustrations. They also have notebooks with the same design on it. I haven't tried any IKEA notebooks before. This one was open, so I thought I'd show you guys what it looks like. The paper feels more like a moleskin weight, like a thinner kind of paper, which I don't know if that would really work for me. I kind of like the thick paper in my books, but I do like the overall design of the book. It has a bookmark and an elastic closure. There's some washi tape. And here are the pens that I tested, which if you haven't seen that video, I'll put it right here. I tested out all of the IKEA pens I could find in the store. The only thing I don't like about these pens is that when I set them on a table, they roll off the table. More organizers, these ones are discounted, and I'm guessing they're not going to be available again because it says last chance. And a lot of magazine files. They do have this decent drawer set, although I wish it wasn't made out of paper because I can definitely see this deteriorating over time, but I do like the design and it seems like a convenient thing to put on your desk. I thought this box was really nice. It comes with 2 extra boxes and it has that same Scandinavian illustration around it. More organizers, and all of these seem to be made out of the cardboard and they're wrapped in paper, but these ones are a little bit more heavy duty. To be honest, the stationery section was a little bit empty at this time, but maybe they're getting more stock in. If you're looking for a blank canvas of organizers, they do have a white version and you could paint this easily or decorate it however you want. They also have a black version, which the first thing that comes to my mind is painting a galaxy on this. In the storage section, they have more organizers, and I thought this one was really cool. I like the houndstooth, and it kind of slides out like a pencil organizer. I don't know how durable the outside would be because it's woven in small pieces of paper or straw, but I do really like the design of it. And it comes in a larger box. They do have a more durable drawer organizer. I thought this would be really nice to have on a shelf or desk. Could easily organize your stationery. And something new I saw, they now have hand figures, which if you are studying how to draw hands, this would be helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed that little trip to IKEA and this little studio vlog. And a big shout out to my YouTube members and patrons. Thank you for supporting this channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, especially now because we are almost to 1 million C-subs. So if you have been on the fence and you haven't hit that button already, hit that button and hit the bell so you could be the first to get notified for when I post new videos. And I will see you guys next time with an actual tutorial, not a studio vlog, but these will happen on occasion, so I hope you guys don't mind them. And you can check out the most recent video around here. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!